Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix this version of YouTube is out of date issue on YouTube. If you're facing the issue that once you open our YouTube, it says that it is out of date, I'll show you to fix this issue. First, we have to go to the Google Play Store or the App Store to check if the app is up to date or not. For that, you have to get there and search for YouTube. And if you see it says updated or update like here, that means it has to be updated. But if it says that open, that means it is fully updated. But if you see the update is available, that means this was the issue. You just have to update your game. It just takes a while. First it just updates it, and after that it downloads or install the update. This process usually takes few seconds based on your internet speed, and once it get installed you will see the option for open. You just have to simply open and then the issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix that issue. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.